Boxing Association of East Khasi Hills hakas ngisa jang kalapan ko burom ya ki khandai ngut ki rang bat ki thai kura ki bala khur takma ha kalampung ilaka jong ka Meghalaya Games ka badang shulashan ya ki te ginang ilaka bakan thup ya ki saungut ki bala khur takma ksir saungut ki ba khur takma rupa bat ka wei ka takmar nong lapan ko burom da umentri ka tanat CNRD ka sarkar jala ubadiru MLA ka thang ha ka jingalang ka bala long haplau jong ka Gorkha Secondary School Laimer Laidon langru ha kani gasina du General Secretary Jong ka Boxing Federation of India uba lari kharpran coach nalor kiwi ki nong yalam shnong bat kiwi pan hakani ke ju gaski u MLA ula samru ye ki tiar shnong baguntup na du kitirpar ki tiar shen nalor ki shuki shakashnong riat soklur
the coach boxer coach of East Khasi district we have MB Rana, the advisor of the Sport Boys Sports Club Riyadh Saklur, President Secretary Super Boys Sports Club Riyadh Saklur, all the elders in Riyadh Saklur, all the boxers who are here with us, and ladies and gentlemen. At the very outset, I would like to express my gratitude to the Badanil and the organizing committee who organized this beautiful program. It is a small program, but a very broad program, where Badanil have come to me, narrate about me about this program. That we have to felicitate all the boxers who have come successfully in the last Meghalaya Games. It happened that one morning I was here in this basketball court, where all the boxers they are practice here in this basketball court. So I told them before the Meghalaya Games, I told them that any player who secured gold medal, I will be giving 5,000. And those who secured gold or silver and bronze, I will be giving 2,000. But we are happy that nine of the boxers have come out successfully. We have 4 gold medal, 4 silver, and 1 bronze. So once again, I'd like to congratulate to all of you, the boxers, and hopefully with this small initiative from my end, that you will get more inspiration, and we would like to see you that we will participate in the not only from the state and especially in the national level. With the coach that you have like Ashok, and with the guidance of Daniel and his team, I hope that one day we will see the top boxers from the East Khasi district who represent the country. And number 2, I have received 1 letter from the Super Boys Sports Club and the elders of their Saklur, where they have expressed their requirement, especially here in their Saklur. Because I used to come every now and then, any occasion, any program, I used to come here in their Saklur, and I have seen lots of requirement required by the Donggad Saklur. So the letter they have written to me is that they are requesting asking from me that I should be providing to them 50 numbers of chairs, 2 tarpaulin, 5 buffet, and 1 burner. So I have told Badal 50 chairs is too less, so I better give 100. Because Resaklur is big enough, lots of residents there. So I told her that 50 will be too less. So that's why I give 100 numbers of chairs and all this material and all. So I hope that this small gift that I hand over to you, it will help the requirements of the people here in Resaklur. And moreover, I'd like to share with you that see, all of you, I think you know that I have 5 ambulances with me. Anything that you require for the ambulance also, anytime you can contact me, you can contact Daniel, and you contact Rana, Ajay and all, because this ambulance is meant to serve for the people of the MLA constituency. So any requirement, just give us a call, just contact Daniel, then all the things will be provided when you are in need. So my request to you is that since we are very close right from before, myself and the resident of Riyadh Saklur, so I think we should work together with me as an MLA, because as long as we are working together, I think lots of development, lots of benefit you will get here in Khur, in Nongse, and also in the constituency as a whole. So the same spirit that we have, that we are working with for so many years, I hope that this same spirit, we will keep on moving, we keep on working with me, so that from my side, whatever help I can assist you, I'm ready to assist it to each and every one of you. So I don't want to take much time, because I used to say in every now and then wherever I go to any locality, I say that this is not the time for me to talk, to speak. I have speak before the election, that is enough. But you have elected me as MLA, now it is time for me to walk. That's why I speak less, but I walk more, especially for the benefit of the people of my constituency. So with these few words, once again, I congratulate to all the boxers, and I give my best wishes to all the residents of Khur. Thank you. Kubel Shibon, Methala, Jai Hind.
Get the benefits when you come from the competitions. I really to thank the hamlets and darlings, not only for the promote of the sport, other sports, but also the sport of boxing from time to time. I like to give the advice to the boxers not only to win the medals at the Meghalaya Games, at a very small tournament at this state, but try to win at the highest levels, mean nationals and international level, so that the benefits and all these things you will get from the government and then from the MLAs who've been working so hard for the developments of the constituency and for all.
जोड़े तालियां बजाने
Midap da kajing so kuman ba kasnong riap sa Khur haki shipov na menshua ni kan mau ki shipov na